Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Deets. Today's topic is all about water layers of the earth. So let's get started. First up is the crust. The crust contains rocks, but not any type of rocks. It contains igneous rocks. There's different types like andesite, basalt, and diorite. Next is the metamorphic rocks. There's also minerals of them. Then the sedimentary rocks. They are really old and they come in different types. Next up is the mantle. The mantle contains magma. Lots and lots of magma. Some people accidentally call it lava, but then the lava is magma just shooting at the top of a volcano. Magma is underneath a volcano. Magma also contains oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, and aluminium, calcium, and we cannot forget about sodium, potassium, and finally silicon rocks. Now, onto the core. The core is really liquid. And also, many people think that the magnetic field comes from the core. Wow, I don't think I knew that. And the color of the core was red. But what other colors do you think the core of our Earth has? Leave in the comment section below. The next stop is the inner core. There's mostly iron and nickels there. And melted ones only. And it's also liquid. Oh, just kidding. It's solid. Solid and strong. So the next time you try to go to the center of the earth, think again. Anyways, let's go on to our conclusion, should we? In conclusion, earth contains the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and finally the inner core. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!